Classic cars hold a special spot in the hearts of car lovers, with certain models becoming iconic over time. They are more than just vehicles, they symbolize style, creativity, and a past era of craftsmanship. 1963-67 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, C2, is more than just a classic car, it is the symbol of greatness and ingenuity. With its eye-catching style and impressive power, the C2 Corvette has its status of unforgettable vintage vehicle. The Corvette Stingray's design was a radical, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic body. The split rear window of the 1963 model is one of the most recognizable features in automotive history. The car's low profile, pointed front end, and muscular fenders gave it an aggressive and elegant appearance that has stood the test of time. Under the hood, the C2 Corvette was a powerhouse. It came equipped with a range of small block and big block V8 engines, with the most potent being the 427 cubic inch, producing 435 horsepower. The combination of lightweight construction, independent rear suspension, and potent engines made the Stingray a force on the road and the racetrack. The Corvette Stingray was more than just a car. It was a cultural phenomenon. It represented the symbol of American sports car design and performance during the 60s and became a symbol of freedom, power, and success. The C2 Corvette's influence extended in movies and television shows. Today, the 63-67 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is highly appreciated by collectors. Its design, impressive performance, and historical significance make it one of the classic cars worth buying for investment and enjoyment. Well-preserved and restored models command high prices at auctions and are considered prized possessions in any car collection. 1964-68 Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang is not only one of the top vintage cars, but it also represents a revolution in design and marketing. It is one of the most iconic vintage cars of all time, embodying the spirit of freedom and adventure that defined the 60s. The first-generation Mustang's design was a game-changer, featuring a long hood, short rear deck, and a sporty, compact profile. Its signature grille with the galloping pony emblem made it instantly recognizable. The Mustang's stylish and youthful appearance captured the hearts of a generation and made it one of the most popular vintage cars ever. The Mustang was available with a variety of engines, from the economical inline-six to the powerful V8s, including the legendary 289 CID and 302 CID engines. The range of performance options allowed buyers to customize their Mustangs to suit their driving preferences, from a comfortable cruiser to a high-performance muscle car. The introduction of the GT models, developed by Carroll Shelby, added a new level of performance and racing pedigree to the Mustang lineup. It quickly became a symbol of American culture, representing freedom, youth, and the pursuit of happiness. It appeared in countless movies, TV shows, and songs, further cementing its status as a car icon. The Mustang's appeal was universal, attracting buyers from young professionals to racing enthusiasts. It is a classic car worth buying for both its historical significance and investment potential. Well-maintained and restored models are highly sought after by collectors and can fetch high prices at auctions. The Mustang's design, combined with its cultural impact, ensures that it remains one of the most desirable cars for collectors. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is one of the iconic vintage cars of all time, embodying the spirit and style of the 50s. Its distinctive design, powerful engines, and cultural significance have made it one of the top vintage cars and a must-have for collectors of classic cars worth buying. The 1957 Bel Air is renowned for its eye-catching design, featuring tail fins, chrome accents, and a front grille that exudes elegance and flair. The two-tone paint options and the iconic gold Bel Air script on the rear fender further accentuated its luxurious appeal. The 57 Bel Air's design has become synonymous with the optimism and prosperity of the post-war era, making it a collectionable icon. Under the hood, the Bel Air offered a range of engine options, including the popular 283 cubic inch V8 with optional fuel injection. This engine could produce up to 283 horsepower, making the Bel Air not only stylish but also a powerful performer on the road. The availability of various transmission options, including the Powerglide automatic and 3-speed manual, allowed buyers to customize their driving experience. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air has left an indelible mark on American culture. It has been featured in countless movies, television shows, and songs, becoming a symbol of the era's automotive style. The Bel Air's popularity extended beyond its production years. Today, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is highly sought after by collectors and is considered one of the most popular vintage cars. Its timeless design, performance capabilities, and cultural significance make it a classic car worth buying and holding onto. Pristine models, especially convertibles, can command high prices at auctions and are treasured additions to any vintage car collection. 1966–73 Lamborghini Meura. The Lamborghini Meura, produced between 1966 and 1973, is often hailed as the first true supercar and remains one of the top vintage cars of all time. Its revolutionary design, groundbreaking performance, and rarity have cemented its status as one of the most iconic cars in history. Meura's design was a radical departure from anything seen before in the world. Its sleek, low-profile and mid-engine layout set new standards for sports car design. The car's distinctive eyelash headlamps and beautifully sculpted body made it an instant design icon. The Meura's impact on car design was profound, influencing the shape of high-performance cars for decades to come. Underneath its stunning exterior, it was equipped with a 4.0-liter V12 engine that produced up to 380 horsepower in its later SV iteration. This engine allowed the Meura to reach top speeds of over 170 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars of its time. The car's mid-engine layout also contributed to its exceptional handling and balance, setting a new standard for sports cars. Lamborghini Meura quickly became a symbol of luxury and high performance. It made appearances in films, graced the garages of celebrities, and became a status symbol. The Meura's influence extends long beyond its production years, as it laid the groundwork for future generations of supercars. Today, the Lamborghini Meura is one of the most iconic classic cars worth buying. Its rarity, combined with its historical significance and breathtaking design, has made it a highly valuable collector's item. Well-preserved examples of the Meura can fetch astronomical prices at auctions, making it a prized possession. 1961–64 Jaguar EType. The Jaguar EType, produced from 1961 to 64, is widely regarded as one of the top cars of all time. Its beauty, impressive performance, and engineering excellence have made a cornerstone of classic automotive design. The EType's design is pure elegance. Its long, flowing lines and distinctive front grille have made it a symbol of 60s style and sophistication. The car's aerodynamic shape was not only visually stunning but also contributed to its exceptional performance. The EType's design has been celebrated worldwide, with Enzo Ferrari famously calling it the most beautiful car ever made. Under the hood, the EType was equally impressive. It was powered by a 3.8-liter inline-six engine that produced 265 horsepower, allowing it to reach top speeds of over 150 miles per hour. The car's advanced independent rear suspension, disc brakes, and monocoque construction were revolutionary for their time, providing a driving experience that was both exhilarating and refined. The Jaguar EType quickly became a symbol of the swinging 60s, capturing the spirit of an era defined by innovation and freedom. It was the car of choice for celebrities, racers, and anyone who appreciated its blend of performance and beauty. The EType's influence on car design and culture was huge, making it one of the most popular vintage cars among enthusiasts. Today, the Jaguar EType is highly sought after by collectors and is considered one of the classic cars worth buying. Its design, groundbreaking engineering, and cultural significance have made it a valuable asset in any car collection. Well-maintained and restored examples of the EType command high prices at auctions and are cherished by their owners as car icon. 1973–87 Porsche 911 Carrera RS. The Porsche 911 Carrera RS, produced from 1973 to 87, is a hallmark in the world of sports cars and stands as one of the top cars of all time. Renowned for its racing pedigree, exceptional performance, and design, the Carrera RS has become one of the most iconic vintage cars and a coveted classic among enthusiasts. Porsche 911 Carrera RS is celebrated for its classic 911 silhouette, characterized by its rounded lines, distinctive rear-engine layout, and unmistakable profile. The Carrera RS models were specially designed for racing, featuring lightweight construction, aerodynamic enhancements like the ducktail rear spoiler, and wider rear wheel arches to accommodate larger wheels and tires. At the heart of the Carrera RS is a high-performance flat-six engine that delivered exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that outpaced most competitors of its era. The car's precise handling, responsive steering, and powerful braking system made it a dominant force on the racetrack and a joy to drive on the open road. The Carrera RS models are renowned for their pure driving experience, embodying the essence of what makes a Porsche 911 so special. Porsche 911 has left an indelible mark on automotive culture, symbolizing the sports car engineering and design. It has been revered by racing drivers, collectors, and enthusiasts alike for its performance capabilities and iconic status. Carrera RS legacy continues to influence modern Porsche models and remains a benchmark for sports car excellence. Porsche 911 Carrera RS is among the most sought-after classic cars worth buying. Its rarity, racing heritage, and timeless appeal make it a highly prized possession. Original examples of the Carrera RS, especially those with a well-documented history and in excellent condition, command premium prices at auctions and are considered top vintage cars of all time. Thank you for the attention and have a nice day.